Lightspeed POS Software tutorial, manage sales, payments, and stock easily. Hey guys, welcome to Lightspeed tutorial where I will be showing you all of the different features and tools that we get with Lightspeed. So let's get into it. First of all, what you're going to do is you're going to simply go to lightspeed.app and you will land on this website right here. What you can do is you can actually sign up for free with Lightspeed and you can use your email address or your Google account. So after the initial sign up, this is where you will land. You can see this is our main dashboard, and here we have all of these different options available. You can see we have dashboard, my sales, catalog, marketing, reports, sales channel, website. Then we have all of the socials here. Then we have other channels. We have design, payments, and more. So here we actually have the Lightspeed for e-commerce that I use for managing our sales and to kind of like manage our payments better. With Lightspeed, we have different apps available and different, dashboards. So this one is for e-commerce. Now within my e-commerce, I'll be able to see my sales, catalog, marketing, and more. So let's go ahead and go to our catalog here and create a product. So in order to create a product, you simply go to catalog and then you're going to click on add new product. So you can actually go ahead and import a product list, but I'm going to add a product manually here. Click on add product, and then in general you have to add the product image. This is where you will add as many pictures as you like, or you can even add a video. So this is the under the general where you have the product gallery. So maybe I can go ahead and quickly upload an image. So I have uploaded this image right here. You can see this is our summer t-shirt. Now we're going to scroll down to give our product a name, and I'm just going to call it summer t-shirt for now, and we will add it here. Then we have to add the SKU and we have to add the weight for our product here. Then of course we have the description. Now in the description you will add any type of description for your product. This is where you can add some keywords that will be helpful for your SEO. So I'm gonna go ahead and for the purpose of the video, I'm just gonna write summer t-shirt and we're just gonna make it like this. Okay, after that we have added the ribbon or the product subtitle. So we can do this under general. Then we have attributes. In attributes you'll be able to add the UPC and brand. Then we have more options where I'll be able to add the input fields here. We can add the variation of a product. So let's create a variation. Let's say I want to create a variation for the size. So in the size now we can go ahead and create maybe large, and then we can create XL, or we can create small, and then we can create medium. So these are the different sizes that I have created. If I click on done, now you can see we have variations created for the product. Then we have the file option. Now if you want to sell digital goods or digital products, then you don't need to add more details. Instead you add your product directly that people can download. It can be a printable, it can be a wall art, it can be a document, or any type of thing that you sell. Then we have shipping and pickup. Now this is if you are selling digital product, then this is not needed, but for my physical product then we will add the shipping and the pickup. Then we have SEO, we have related products, we have buy now button. So this is the button right here that you will be getting with your website. Now we're just going to click on save and our new product will be saved right here. So if I go back now, you can see this is my list of different products that we have already created, and you can see this is what it looks like. It has the price, in stock, and more. So if I scroll down, you can see this is my product list. Now I can even export this list, or I can bulk edit it as well. So this is also under my catalog here. If I want to create categories, I can also do that. We have gift cards and more. So now I will take you to my sales. Under my sales, you will be getting the order option. Now this is where you will be getting all of your orders for your e-commerce website, and this is where you can manage them. Then we have abandoned carts. They will be shown right here. And then we have customers. Within the abandoned carts, you will be able to automate or create different workflows such as the emails, or if you want to send any type of notification to your abandoned carts, so you can do that. Then we have the customer option here. Now this is where I can add the customers for my brand. So in the customers, we can actually create a manual customer here. I'm going to click on add customer, and then you have to enter their first and last name. So let's say this one is Sarah Smith. Okay, then we have to enter their email address here, so I'm gonna quickly do that. Then we have contact details. Now this is the contact detail here. We have email address, phone number, messenger, social media, website, and other links. So if you want to add any type of other contact, you can do that. Maybe we want to even add their phone number, or if I want to add their social media, so we can do that here very easily. Then I can scroll down to even add more, and then we have customer information. Click on save, and now you can see a new customer will be created, and we can add the total orders here. We can add the order value, the total value, and more. So this is under the sales. Then I showed you the catalog. Then we have marketing. Within the marketings, you will be getting different marketing options within your Lightspeed. We have Google ads, Facebook ads, discount coupons, promotions, newsletters, and automated emails. And then we have reports. Within my sales channel, this is where I will integrate any type of e-commerce to my Lightspeed. We can actually sell on the go, such as the different apps available within the Lightspeed, or I can sell on Facebook through Facebook shop or Instagram shop. Then we have our TikTok, Amazon, and eBay, and then we have WordPress, Wix, Weebly, Joomla, Squarespace, and more. Or even we can add on any of the storefront or website that we have created. So you can connect any of the storefront to your Lightspeed, and you can get started with this. Then we have other channels, and in other channels, again, you will be getting the different e-commerce websites. Then we have the design option. Now this is where I can actually check out the design or outlook of my store that we will be having on Lightspeed. So here I can select if I want the video or the size image to be large, medium, or small. This is for the products that I have. So I'm actually going to go with medium here. Then we have what kind of ratio we are going for. Then we have the product card, and there's so much other options that I can add here, such as if I want to change the product card frame, product name, product price, product SKU, the buy now button, and more. Similarly, we can manage the payments with Lightspeed very easily, and Lightspeed has one of the best payment methods, that because it's very easy to use. And the best thing about Lightspeed is that it's very beginner friendly and user friendly, so it's always very easy to connect any type of app or any type of e-commerce platform. So we can connect Stripe, PayPal. We have other options such as the different other cards as well. So you can just go ahead and connect them to your Lightspeed. Then we have shipping and pickup. So for shipping and pickup, again, here you can add the shipping, local delivery, or self pickup. So with the shipping and pickup option here, just click on add shipping, and now you can use any of the shipping method here. So with Lightspeed, all of the different integration apps and softwares are available that you will be needing for your e-commerce business or for your sales. You can manage your sales better with Lightspeed. You can also automate your work, and you can also use Lightspeed for not just sales but for marketing too, and for stock as well. You can actually use any type of Lightspeed. It has different dashboards that you can definitely check out. So yeah guys, that brings us to the end of the video. I hope this video was a big help to you, and now you know how to use Lightspeed. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.